So right here guys, let's simply solve this math problem. So the first thing guys we want to do, we want to simply apply the commutative property. So applying the commutative property right here, so we have this to be x plus 3 multiply x plus 9. Then we have x plus 5 multiply x plus 7, and this is equals to 9. So at this part, we want to simply expand the polynomial. So if we expand this two right here, we have this to be x squared plus 9x plus 3x plus 27 multiply. If we expand this, we have x squared plus 7x plus 5x plus 35, and this is equals to what? 9. So we have x squared plus 9x plus 3x will give us 12x plus 27 multiply x squared plus 7x plus 5x will give us 12x plus 35, and this is equals to what? 9. Now let's take a look at the difference. Now if you take a look at the difference between 35 minus what? 27, we have this to be what? 8. So that is, we can say 27 plus 8 is equals to what? 35. Alright, so that is what we want to simply take a look at. So let's keep this in mind. So at this point, we want to simply use substitution method. So we're going to say let y be equals to x squared plus 12x plus 27. So if y is this, then we can easily rewrite this equation to be y multiply y plus, remember this is 35, and we know that 27 plus 8 will give us what? 35. So we have y plus 8 is equals to what? 9. So if we open this up, we have y squared plus y multiply 8 is 8y is equals to 9. Rearrange and set to 0, we have y squared plus 8y minus 9 is equals to what? 0. So let's factor out this. So if we take this and multiply, we have minus 9y squared. The two digit that comes to mind, and when you multiply, is going to give us minus 9y squared, and when you add them or subtract them, it's going to give us 8y. The two numbers are, we have 9y and negative what? Y. Okay, so applying this, we have y squared plus, in place of 8y, we're going to put 9y minus y minus 9, and this is equals to 0. So if you factor out this, we have y to be common, so we have y plus 9 left. Then from here, if you factor out, we have negative 1, so we have y plus 9, and this is equals to what? 0. So from here, we have y plus 9 multiply y minus 1, and this is equals to 0. So y plus 9 is equals to 0, and we have y minus 1 is equals to 0. So y is equals to 0 minus 9, and y is equals to minus 9. And from here, we have y is equals to 0 plus 1, and y is equals to what? 1. Now let's simply go back right here. As you can see, we have this. We said let y be equals to this, right? So at this point, we're going to say recall that y is equals to what? X squared plus 12x plus what? 27. So we're going to solve for y equals to negative 9. We have x squared plus 12x plus 27 is equals to negative 9. So we have x squared plus 12x plus 27 plus 9 is equals to what? 0. So we have x squared plus 12x plus 27 plus 9 is going to give us 36, and this is equals to what? 0. So if you factor this out, we have this to be x plus 6 multiply x plus 6, and this is equals to 0. So I'm just going to work with one of this. So that simply means we have x plus 6 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0 minus 6, and x is equals to what? Negative what? 6. So from here, we have the first value of what? X. So let's simply solve for y equals to what? 1. So at this place, we are going to say for y equals to 1, we have y is equals to x squared plus 12x plus what? 27, right? So we have x squared plus 12x plus 27 is equals to 1. So we have x squared plus 12x plus 27 minus 1 is equals to 0. X squared plus 12x plus 27 minus 1 is 26, and this is equals to 0. So we're going to solve this by applying the quadratic formula that says x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divide what? 2a. A is equals to 1, b is equals to 12, and c is equals to what? 26. So x is equals to minus 12 plus minus the square root of 12 square minus 4 multiply a, which is 1, multiply c, which is 26, divide what? 2, multiply what? 1. So x is equals to minus 12 plus minus the square root of 12 square is 144 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 26 is going to give us 104 divide 2 multiply 1 is 2. So from here we have x is equals to minus 12 plus minus the square root of 144 minus 104 is going to give us 40, divide what, 2. So x is equals to minus 12 plus minus the square root of 40 can be expressed as 4 multiplied 10, divide what, 2. So x is equals to minus 12 plus minus, but we know that if we have the square root of a multiply b, this is equal to the square root of a multiply the square root of b. So we have the square root of 4 multiply the square root of 10, divide what, 2. So x is equals to minus 12 plus minus the square root of 4 is 2, multiply the square root of 10, divide what, 2. So x is equals to, if you factor out 2, we have minus 6 plus minus the square root of 10, divide what, 2. So this we cancel out this, so x is equals to minus 6 plus minus the square root of 10. So therefore, we have the value of x to be equals to, now the first value of x, we have this to be negative what, 6. So x is equals to negative 6, x is equals to minus 6 plus the square root of 10, and x is equals to minus 6 minus the square root of 10. And these are the values of x. So guys, that is how you can easily solve this nice math problem. And if you've not yet subscribed, please do it to click onto that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.